What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Good morning to each and every one of you. Happy weekend to us. And now we could see that things are going according to plan. But what's most important is the fact that, in as much as things have been going according to plan, we need to understand that at the end of the day, this is we are in a very critical level in the sense that no one knows if the market is going to be bullish anytime soon or the market is going to be bearish anytime soon, and that is simply because of the yesterday news, which was the Supreme Court striking down on oh my goodness, it seems like water. Okay, the Supreme Court striking down on Trump's tariffs by saying that it's illegal. So if you read further on through Watchable, you could see Supreme Court rules President Trump's exceeded powers by imposing tariffs without Congress approval. So President Trump says the Supreme Court's ruling on tariffs is a disgrace. President Trump says he has a backup plan, which we already know he was definitely going to have a backup plan. Goldman Sachs says Supreme Court ruling won't end tariffs except Trump administration to use alternative legal framework. So, now this is one of the crazy things about this tariff, because we definitely know that tariff was one of the major reasons why the market had to come crashing down massively like this. So, definitely now that the Supreme Court has kind of called out this tariff thing that Trump is doing, calling it illegal. Maybe they are calling it out because they weren't involved. So obviously, they just had to because Trump didn't seek approval from them. They had to call it illegal. Maybe it's legal, but because Trump just didn't seek approval from them. So at the end of the day, this is something that people don't like, traders don't like, investors don't like, which is uncertainty. No one knows if the Supreme Court we're expecting approval from Trump. Was expecting Trump to get the approval before dishing out this tariff or not, or maybe it's illegal and Trump just went ahead to do his thing. So this is something very uncertain, and as you can see, gold on the other hand is rallying. So gold is rallying simply because of the fact that there is uncertainty in the market right now. So without wasting much of your time, if we dive straight into this chart right here, the chart is not bullish nor bearish. But what we definitely know right now about the chart is the fact that we are still very much stable. So just like I said in my previous chart yesterday, my previous video yesterday, I made it known to us that we are definitely going to be retesting this resistance right here at $68,000. Now, if we're going to be breaking into this level right here, into this range between 68,000 all the way to 71,300, I do not know, but just in case that eventually happens, we are most likely going to we need to break above this level right here, above 68,000, find support around this level as we'll be doing around here, find support around this level, then we could rally to 71,300 level or even higher. So either we get a move like this today, or we get rejected from this level at 68,000, drop all the way down into this level at 66,000, or even worst case scenario, we could drop all the way down to 65,100 level or even lower. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting today, because the whole market is kind of stable, and also this is the weekend, and also without even wasting much of your time, we could also tell that the weekends are always bullish. So maybe today we'll see end up rallying into this level at 71,300. Who knows? Because there is uncertainty in the market, and when there's uncertainty, there's volatility, and when there's volatility, anything can happen. So yep, I think that is just basically it for Now we could see gold is rallying. I think that is evidence enough that we are in a very uncertain level right now in the market. If I should take all of this away from here, from my previous chart, you definitely know where I'm coming from. If I should take all of this away, you could see it clearly right here that from the daily, first things foremost, sorry about that, from the daily time frame, I don't know why the network here is kind of poor. So from the daily time frame right here, we could see that we are most likely going to be retesting this level right here. I think with this chart right here, this chart is evident enough that we are most likely going to be retesting this resistance, just like I analyzed yesterday. You could see maybe we've kind of retested it. I do not know, but let me see. Let me try to be accurate with this. Yes, we have actually retested it. So just like I said, we broke below this level right here at 67,100 into this level at 65,600. We've retested this level right here. We are most likely going to be going down. I think if we're not careful, if there is no good fundamentals coming in this weekend, we are most likely going to be heading towards this level at 62,900. So this is basically all I can say. And if we end up dropping below 62,900, we're most likely going to be heading towards this level at $46,000. So yep, that's just basically it, guys. But with the look of things, I have this feeling that we are most likely going to be finding support around this level first things foremost. Until we break below 65,000, then we can know what to expect next. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.